So we are still going to continue from number 46. We have the distance between 2 points. First of all, let's list the point. This is K1. We have 5, 4. So let's call this one X1, Y1, S2, Y2. And the distance between 2 points is square root of S2 minus X1 all square plus bracket Y2 minus Y1 all square. Let's substitute. We are given the distance as 5. So we have 5 here is equal to square root of S2 is 5 minus X1 is K, then square, plus Y2 is 4. 4 minus Y1 is 1 all square. So we have 5 is equal to, okay, let's take this square root here. When square root comes here is square. So we have 5 square is equal to, this square root has been removed. So we have 5 minus K all square plus 4 minus 1 should give us 3 square. So this is 25 is equal to 5 minus K all square plus 3 square is 9. So let's collect like terms. We have 25 minus 9 is equals to bracket 5 minus K all square. 25 minus 9 should give us 16 is equals to bracket 5 minus K all square. Then when square root comes here, when you're looking for the value, first of all put plus or minus square root of 16 because we are supposed to get two answers. So we have 5 minus K. So plus or minus this square root of 16 is 4 is equals to 5 minus K. So how do we get the first value? So going by this, when is plus, so we have 4, when plus 5 comes here is going to give us minus 5 is equals to minus K. That is case 1. So 4 minus 5 is minus 1 equals to minus K. Minus will cancel K. So the first answer of K is 1. Case 2 is when we want to look at the minus. So we have minus 4 is equals to 5 minus K. Minus 4, when plus 5 comes here is minus 5 equals to minus K. Minus 4 minus 5 is minus 9 equal to minus K. This and this will cancel. So our K is equal to 9. So that is the answer for the first one. For the second question, number 47, that is the second question for this video. So 47, we have a fair die is thrown 3 times. Is thrown 3 times. So a die, let's look at a die. A die has 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So to get the total possible is 6 raised to the power of n. This n represents how many number of times it is thrown. So it's thrown 3 times. So we have 6 raised to the power of 3, which is 2, 1, 6. Find the probability of getting 3, 6. So probability of getting 3, 6. Remember it was thrown 3 times first. Then to get 3, 6 is equals to 3 over 3. We have done this is binomial probability, which is 1. So probability of getting 3, 6 is equals to, the required is 1 over the total, 2, 1, 6, and that is the answer. We'll go to 48. What is the smallest prime factor of 1, 3, 4, 6, 4? This is an even number, so the smallest prime factor is 2. Number 49, what is the minimum value of, and whenever you see 1 multiplied by anything is that. So let me put it as bracket x minus 2 all square. Plus times minus is minus 4. So what value are you going to put in this bracket that will make it to be 0? The number that you put there that will make it to be 0 is when x is equals to 0. So if x is 0, putting it here, we have, if x is 2, putting it here, we have 2 minus 2 all square minus 4. This is 0. 0 square is 0 minus 4. So the answer is minus 4. Then number 50, which is the last one for today, we have a right angle triangle. This is our theta. The angle is acute. Then we are given sine theta as 16 over 65. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So here is opposite 16, here is hypotenuse 65. So we are looking for x. So we can say x square using Pythagoras theory plus 16 square is equals to 65 square. X square, let's collect like term, 65 square minus 16 square. This is difference between two square, which is like 65 minus 16 bracket 65 plus 16. So what is 65 minus 16? 49 times 65 plus 16 is 81. So taking the square root, x, taking the square root of this. What is square root of, this is 49 times 81. Square root of 49 is 7. Square root of 81 is 9, which will give us 63. So therefore, our tan theta, tan is opposite over adjacent. And your opposite is 16, while your adjacent is 63. And that is all.